In this video, I will go over running the application while looking at what's happening in the code. I navigate to Clique, open a terminal, then type make, then make run. I'm now in the int main method. This option window has two buttons. I'll be going over the steampunk button since it is the same as the ASU button except with the steampunk images and animations. Once steampunk button is clicked, it invokes the button's callback function named steampunk option. In the steampunk option method, the option window is set to hide. The steampunk GUI 1 class is instantiated. Then main window 2 method of that instance is invoked. The start button, named button start, has a callback function named start button click. In that function, it checks to see if the proper number of students and projects is entered. If not, an error message occurs. Once the proper numbers are entered for students to projects, no more than 5 students per project, the mini browser SP function is called. That brings up the mini browser. Mini browser SP. Once valid credentials are entered in the login page, main window is set to hide. The course information for the user is stored in cookie data 1. The mini browser is destroyed, and an instance of SP data GUI named data GUI is created. The folder button is called Project File Chooser button. The callback is choose project file _CB. This is where you select the projects.csv file that's derived from the sponsor projects. The search for courses button variable is named find courses. The callback for this button is find courses click. The callback for confirm here is confirm click. Once here at the confirmation window, generate teams button is created and generate teams click is its callback. Cookie manager.getQuizzes here is where the API call is made to get information from Canvas. It's using the libcurl library. This is how we pull student information from Canvas. Now the master window is set to hide, the confirm window is set to hide, and another instance of Steampunk GUI 1 is created called main_win. That was following the generate teams click. The path to the project file that was picked in the file chooser is set in the main_win instance, as well as the courses, students, cookies, and number of courses. This is the Teams button. Remember, we're in Steampunk GUI 1. Once clicked, Teams button calls this function, and once this button is clicked, an instance of main is created. Main run is called with the parameters set earlier. Utility is a function library that we created. A lot of methods are used in there to read and write CSV files, JSON files, and to organize arrays. Example given, partitioning them by priority, class section, or class type. Each class section has its own thread, and thread function In thread function, the students to projects.c++ class is created. This class has a function named students to projects assignment. This is the method where the team combinations are generated to find the best group of students for each project. It's a big function. After the assignments are complete, each thread function finishes and the threads are joined. The results are put into a text file named results.txt. The done button is activated, and done button click when clicked, and calls done button click when clicked. The progress window is hidden. The result window is shown and the text file is loaded into the result window. I hope this video has been informative and meets the goal of coming to a better understanding of how the application works as we dived under the hood and examined which parts of the code were being executed as the application is carried out.